What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Thursday, July 23rd, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. I've already done my trading for today. You want to take a peek? We'll do that right now. And boom, there you go. It took some real mental focus. Today, the market was trying me because I did sit here long enough that I just really was struggling to keep my mind in the right mindset. Class will be this Saturday for those who are students. We are going to be going over the second part of the series of how to trade like a professional. And Jason's actually given me a little bit of a rundown of the things that we're going to go through. I'm actually going to send that out in an email today to everybody so you can get an idea of what's going on there. I do record everything I do with every student and everything I do in the way of classes. This way, whenever we do one-on-ones and things like that, you're able to just come back and say, okay, I cannot remember what she said about the MACDs or the price or the EMAs or whatever it may be. And you can come back to that and see it again. I have worked for companies where we did the same one-on-ones with students multiple times because nothing was recorded. And we as humans tend to forget things at times, especially when they're hour-long one-on-ones. It is so easy to forget some things, right? Don't forget that we have a 30% lifetime discount with You Profit Trader right now. And that is running until the end of July. So you'll want to make sure and take advantage of that. All right, guys, I see the market tempting me. I hear my lawn dude here, which is about to get really loud. So we're going to go ahead and y'all are going to see what we did with the market today. Okay, what time is it? It's 9:30, an hour after the market's open. It's looking like it's given us some pretty decent moves for today. That is a blessing because we hadn't had a whole lot of them over the last few days. Let's take a look at the daily chart. I was just looking at how this look compares to this look right in here. So we may see this keep going up even though it's given some signals of the push down. So let's just okay. I like the way these BBs are starting to roll up. We're at the zero line. Now I can add two more. I want to move my risk up, just knowing that we're in a not super great place, but I'm just gonna breathe, let it do its thing. Yep. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna take this one out. It will have me. There we go. One left. These are starting to push down further and further down. Yeah. almost want to give this a quick opportunity to the downside. I'm going to. It may pull back right back into here, but it's got that look of a push to the downside a little bit more. Whoop, nope. And give it another shot right in here. Okay. Broken through this zero line several times. Go ahead and take that one. I'm not 100% behind this move to the downside, which is why I'm taking that one out a little bit faster. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to drop this here. Let me tell you why. Okay. As this is sitting at the zero line, as this is still green and up, you didn't really give the full push through there. Right where I'm gonna give this one a little bit of a shot. I know we're right here at the zero line. Pull back right into there. Am I trying to force something because I want one more trade? Think about that. Just breathe for a minute. Yes, you're trying to force something because you just want one more trade. Oh, there it goes. Okay, right behind this little pivot, this will be my last trade of the day. Let's see if this one is gonna break through. I want to break free. I'm pulling it up a little bit. I'm not gonna let it take more than 3 ticks, y'all. Especially with this kind of very weak look here. Ooh, is this giving me another entry? It might be, but I'm not gonna try it. There we go. I can't keep trying to trade back into this area. Let's see if it pulls up and grabs me in here. I'm gonna hit close. Those white BBs are starting to close in. I've had enough of today. I already looked at some of my trades. I didn't pull it over. We'll pull it over for this a little bit. 1925. Not too shabby for not really feeling happy with my trading performance too. So let's go ahead and write this out. Putting my wrist behind here and letting it run a little bit more would probably have been the better idea, especially since this is still showing a lot of strength. But it has shown us that before and turned around pretty quickly. So I'm gonna mark these up. God, that was like the longest wait on the planet. I only took this last exit because I had just kind of reached my threshold in knowing that I hadn't been giving it a lot of attention. There was definitely signs that it was going to continue, especially right in here. This now would be my reason in exiting had I waited. BBs didn't push through here. We're at a zero line, are we? Nope, we are still showing some more reason for down. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I just want to show you a little something. Right there where it made that second pullback. And I said this would have been the spot. If I had just been a little bit more patient, would have been out right here, maybe right in here when it pulled back. But you know, it is what it is. Thou shalt not try me. Okay, market, you tried me today. There was a lot of waiting today. I probably got a little bored. I was messaging back and forth with my friend who I found out does not have COVID. Thank goodness. She took her test almost 2 weeks ago. Just got the results. So she's been quarantining for a couple of weeks and didn't even really need to. Definitely lost my concentration taking that short and the long where I took a loss. The short where I took that, I was just trying to force it right in here, and the long was a little late and it gave me reasons to exit back in here, and I saw that happening and just said, you know what, I'm going to minimize my risk. That's what I went with. So don't forget, today is the 23rd, I think. So only a couple more days of that 30% off for you profit trader, for lifetime 30% off. I think that's going to wrap it up. So if anybody has any questions, hit me up, let me know. I am feeling a little frustrated today and I'm just tired. I don't know if you know this, but I did break my tailbone end of February, beginning of March. And so it's really tough to sit too long. That's why I actually got me a new chair to move about a little bit more. And that other one was just killing my tailbone. So it was really hard to sit here for very long. I actually have a new desk coming in the next couple of days. So hopefully all of that is going to make a huge difference in just being able to sit here and concentrate for longer, because I don't know if you know this, but when you're in pain, which I have been for a while, it is a little hard to stay in the moment. So right now it's starting to swell up a little bit. I'm gonna wrap this up. So hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. I hope to see y'all back here tomorrow. I'm planning on it. Planning on being here tomorrow, I'll tell you that much. I mean, I definitely want to be here. I definitely want to be here for Friday. It's just going to take some breathing, some slowing down everything, just listening to myself and letting things run. So hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.